Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm going to go through this fault code here, charge air pressure sensing. Now this could come under the 2 litre or the 3 litre diesel engines. Doesn't really matter. It's a bit of a ball ache really, because it's a track and trace scheme. Now 246B00 charge air pressure sensor signal, for this specific car, engine management light does come on intermittent, so it looks like the hose pipe or the leak is not as bad, but then again it is bad because the engine light comes on. So what's best, this is the 3 litre diesel 730D, is to track and trace. Really it'd be best to get rid of this engine cover and then check all this air filter housing in here and see if there is no cracks or leaks. The main common one is the pipe in here there, that could cause it. Okay, that one there, probably 10 quid or so, maybe more, maybe less, depending on, but that's just one of them. And then you are best tracing it all the way down there and seeing if there is any leak. Obviously it is difficult, so you are best using probably some sort of, like, I don't know, water and soap or some sort of stuff to get the bubbles. Obviously you have the engine running, I guess, and see if it does bubble out and it's pressurizing. But that's what that fault code is. And yes, do track and trace it there through the manifolds if you have to, but then again it'll be another code for this side, I guess, but sometimes it doesn't. But I would check all this air filter system here all the way into the turbo. It is not common, so if it has happened, it's your luck. But yeah, that's what you do. Start off with that all the way down and just track and trace it.